Hello friends, welcome to my channel Digital Wave. This video tutorial of artificial intelligence is also available in Hindi language. So if you want to redirect to that video, then you can find the link of that video in our description box. In this tutorial of artificial intelligence, today we will discuss about state space search. So before explaining about the state space search, we will discuss problem solving techniques in the artificial intelligence. So problem solving is the major area in artificial intelligence. It is the process to provide solution from given data. To solve a particular type problem, we need to build a system or method that can provide required solution. So there are some steps by which we can build that type of system. So first point is the define the problem. So in this point we have to define, or we have to give definition to specify the initial situation of the problem and what will be the final situation that will constitute the acceptable solution to the problem. Second point is analyze the problem. So to identify those important features which can have an immense impact on the appropriateness of various possible techniques for solving the problem. Third point is the isolate and represent the task knowledge. So this knowledge is necessary to solve the particular problem. Next point is the choose the best problem solving technique and apply it to particular problem. Okay, so whatever the possible solutions method we have to choose best problem solving method. Now we will discuss what is the meaning of state space search, why we are using this state space search. So state space search is used as problem solving method. This is a process that is used in AI in which successive configuration or states of an instance are considered with intention of finding a goal state with desired property. So by this definition we can say that state space search will provide us possible solution of any problem. Here problems are modeled as state space. State is a representation of problems at given moment. State space is a set of all state reachable from the initial state in which a problem can be. Okay, so whatever the possible solution will be there, so state space is a group of those all possible solutions. After that, representation of state space search. So there is a equation by which we can represent this state space search method. So here this double S is denoting about the state space and this S is telling about the all possible states of any problem. Okay, so if we have any problem and we have to provide the solution of that particular problem, then this S will represent all possible solution or all possible state to reach the goal state. After that, this A will indicate about the set of all possible action that is required to provide a solution of problem. Okay, so whatever the action we will perform to solve that particular problem, this A will denote that particular actions. After that, this action. So this action is a function and this will indicate about the all action that is possible for current state. Okay, whatever the action you are performing on this S or this current state, that this action function will denoting about that particular action. Okay, so this action S is denoting about the action that is possible for current state. Okay, so in current time whatever the action you are performing on this state, it will denote the same. After that, result SA. This result SA is denoting about the state reached by performing action A on state S. So whatever the action you are applying on this state, and after applying this action you are getting the result state, then that particular result state will be denoting by this action. Okay, so this is also a type of action. After that, this cost as A. After applying this action A on this state S, whatever the costing you have, that is denoting by this cost as A action. So this is all about the equation that will represent the state space search in the artificial intelligence. Now we will understand this state space with the help of this 8-tile puzzle problem. So in this 8-tile puzzle problem, we have one start state and goal state. So start state will represent about the problem initial states. Okay, whatever the problem you have, and whenever you are going to provide the solution, and so in the initial state you will denote that particular state as a start state, and the goal state will be the result of our problem or solution of our problem. So we have this 8-tile puzzle. So here I have 9 squares, and here I have written these random numbers in every block, and this is our goal state. So whatever the numbers I have in this puzzle, so I want to arrange those numbers in this goal state. So what will be the possible action I can perform on this start state? Okay, so we will see what will be the possible action. So legal moves for state. So what will be the legal moves? So here this blank area I have to replace with any number. Okay, so here what will be the possible action I can perform on this start state? So that action will be up. If I want to replace this blank area with this 4, then we have to perform this up action. If I want to perform this down action, then I have to exchange this place with the 6, or if I want to go for the left, then I have to replace the value of blank area with 2, and if I go to the right, then I have to exchange the value of this blank area with 5. Okay, so these are the possible actions, or we can say legal moves for the state. So this particular state S will have these possible actions. So we will perform every action here and we'll see what will be the result. So after performing the possible actions, we will get this type of goal state that we have already given in the form of goal state. Okay, so after performing all the possible action, we will get this goal state. So this is all about the 8-tile puzzle problem. Okay, this is the basic understanding of state space. So I will take the example of another 8-tile puzzle problem to get full understanding about this problem. So I am taking another example of 8-tile puzzle problem to understand this concept. Okay, so we have this 9 square box, and here I have arranged these numbers. Okay, so this will be our start state S. After that, we will see what will be the legal moves for this start S. So up, down and left. So if we will see, then we cannot move this state to the right. So right is not a legal move. That is why I have made this color red. Okay, so this is not possible move here. So there are 3 possibilities I can provide to solve this particular problem. Okay, so up, left and down. So we will see how these tile will be after performing these actions. So after performing left, this blank block will be here. After up operation, this blank block will be go up, and after down, this blank block will come here. Okay, so now these 3 solutions, or these 3 possible solutions we have to get this problem solution. So there are these 3 possible solutions we have to achieve our goal state. Okay, So here from these three options we have to choose one option. Okay, so we will keep this left option. Okay, and we will solve this particular 8 tile puzzle with this left option. Now we will see what will be the possible actions we have. So up will be the possible solution, down will also be possible solution, left is also a possible solution. Here we can see right will be also a legal move, but by performing this right operation we will go in our previous state. Okay, so we don't want to go in our previous state because we have to go forward to solve this problem. So now we will perform these three actions on this state. Now you can see we are denoting this state as a new state, so I have given the name as 1. Okay, now we will see what will be the possible options available here. So after performing up operation we will get this tile, and after performing left we will get this, and after performing down we will get this. Okay, so now we have to choose one state from these three states, or we can say possible three states. So we will choose one of them and will perform actions. So we will choose here this state that we have get by performing left operation. Okay, so we will take it, and in the next slide we will perform the action on this 8 tile puzzle. So now the state is also a new state, so I have denoted this state with the help of S2. Now we will see what will be the possible action. So we can see up will be the possible action, down will also be a possible action, but we will see left move cannot be possible, and if we will select this right then we will go in the previous state, so we will not consider this right move. Okay, now we will go for those two options. So we will see whatever the tiles we will get after performing this up and down operation. After that we have to choose one state from these two different states, and we have to continue as we are doing. So as it is we have to go further, and we will get many other different possible solution. So I hope you have better understanding about this 8 tile puzzle problem as well as this state space search technique. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to give me the possible states to get that particular goal state. Okay, so whatever the initial state we have, and now in how many states or how many possible solutions will be there, so you have to tell me in the comment section then how many numbers of the possible states after performing those actions you will get this goal state. Okay, so this is how we can perform these 8 tile puzzle problems. Okay, so if you get some information or you get some better understanding about this state space search technique, then please subscribe our channel, and we are also available on Facebook, so you can follow us on Facebook. So I have given the link in description box by which you can redirect to our Facebook page and you can follow our page. Okay, so if you like this video then please share this video and like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.